Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to our shop. How can I help you today?
I am looking for a new shirt.
What color do you like? We have many colors: white, blue, black, and green.
I like blue. Do you have light blue?
Yes, we have light blue and dark blue. What size do you wear? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, I think. Can I see the light blue one?
Of course. Here it is. This is 100% cotton and very comfortable.
It looks good. How much is it?
This one is 2,850 rupees. But today we have a special offer: buy one and get 10% discount.
Okay. Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there. Take your time.
It fits well, but the sleeves are a little long. Do you have a smaller size?
Let me check. Yes, we have medium with shorter sleeves. Here you go.
This one is better. I will take this.
Great choice. Anything else? Maybe matching trousers or a belt?
No, thank you. Just the shirt today.
No problem. The total is 2,565 rupees after discount. Will you pay by cash or card?
Cash, please.
Okay. Here is your shirt in a bag. Do you need the bill?
Yes, please.
Here is the bill and your change. Thank you for shopping with us. Come again.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Wait. Before you go, can I ask, do you need anything for your phone? We have good screen guards and chargers.
Oh, actually yes. My phone charger is not working well.
We have original chargers for Samsung, iPhone, and Xiaomi. Which one do you need?
Samsung. How much is a good one?
This fast charger is 1,450 rupees. It is very good quality.
Can you reduce the price a little?
Because you bought the shirt, I can give it for 1,300 rupees. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. I will take the charger too.
Perfect. So shirt 2,565 plus charger 1,300 equals total 3,865 rupees.
Here is 4,000 rupees.
Thank you. Here is your change, 135 rupees. And here are your items.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please come again. If you bring this bill next time, you will get extra discount. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.